Hey there, this is Randy the Wild Horse, and I got something in my spam mail I'd like to show you. These two comments were in my Randy the Wild Horse Live Twitter and Reddit update, ripping junk mail while I was off the air. Funny thing is, first one is though you're trying to collab, it had 10 subscribers. The second one said you earned a new subscriber because of your amazing videos. That one has 25. But the funny thing is, I didn't raise one subscriber in a month, and this channel did not subscribe to me. This is Solur with 10 subscribers. I'll go hit Solur. This one says 11.2K subscribers. It has 3 videos. The subscribers, them as I call fours, I'm 0. Not subscribed to me on, it says, this one here, it says I got no subscribers from this one, neither. This channel only has 1,399 views. So the flag, I block user, submit. Click Solur with 25 subscribers. Show this again, Randy the Wild Horse Live, Twitter and Reddit update, ripping junk mail while I was off the air. These two are Solur. One says 10 subscribers, one says 25. I will click on the 10 first. Okay, this one has 3 videos. See the subscribers? I did not get one subscriber. It claimed it subscribed to me. It did not. That one has all 4s. Okay, I'm not going to unblock the user, so now I'll click Solur. One video. 3 videos. Same subs. I get 0. About. Unblock user. Here's what I'm going to do with Solur. I'm going to report it. Because it says likely spam. That's spam, so that's gone. Goodbye. As far as Solur is concerned, you will not be missed. Not at all. And I want you Wild Horse fans to start getting after those spams, okay? And scams. Please do, okay? This is Randy, and so long, everybody.